Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is me Zanish and you're watching English Corner 7 and 6 friends. Today we're gonna learn short English sentences और ये ऐसे sentences हैं जो डेली लाइफ कन्वर्सेशन में माविन साबित होते हैं. अगर आप ये sentences सीखना चाहते हैं then must watch full video. So let's start today's lesson. ये मामला अभी ज़ेरे गौर है. This matter is still under consideration. This matter is still under consideration. मैं बिल्कुल साफ साफ बोलती हूँ. I call a spade a spade. क्या होता अगर तुम सदर होते? What if you were a president? What if you were a president? मुझे अब जाना है. I am to go now. मैं अपने अल्फाज वापस लेती हूँ. I take my words back. I take my words back. तुम इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो? नहीं बोल सकते क्या? You can speak English, can't you? उसे पैसे का हिसाब देना होगा. He will have to account for the money. He will have to account for the money. एक काम करोगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? मेरा ये मतलब नहीं था. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. टीचर अभी नहीं आया. Teacher has not come yet. Teacher has not come yet. मजबूती से पकड़ो. Hold firmly. Hold firmly. मुझे कोई दिलचस्पी नहीं. I don't have any interest. ऐसा सोचना भी मत. Don't even think like that. Don't even think like that. मैं इतनी दूर नहीं जाऊंगी. I would not go that far. I would not go that far. तुम मेरी बराबरी नहीं कर सकते. You cannot be equal to me. You cannot be equal to me. उसको मुझसे बहुत हमदर्दी है. He had great sympathy for me. He had great sympathy for me. उसको मुझसे बहुत हमदर्दी थी. He had great sympathy for me. अल्लाह करे तुम्हारे सब ख्वाब पूरे हों. May all your dreams come true. May all your dreams come true. क्या दुश्मनी है तुमको मुझसे? What enmity do you have with me? What enmity do you have with me? किसकी करतूत है? Whose act is this? Whose act is this? मेरा काम बस तुम्हें बताना था. My job was just to tell you. My job was just to tell you. जल्दी ही क्या है? What's the rush? What's the rush? यार मेरा काम तो बन गया है. Buddy, I have gained my object. Buddy, I have gained my object. This is it for today. Inshallah, we will meet soon with a new topic. Stay connected. Keep learning. Don't go without subscribing. Like, share and comment. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.